As remote work continues to evolve, using AI tools is no longer optional, it's essential. In this video, we'll break down the AI tools you need for workplace success. Companies that are taking advantage of AI are outperforming those who don't. So AI knowledge is crucial in today's global marketplace. Unless you've been living under a rock for the last 2 years, there is no doubt you have felt the powerful shift in the world around us due to the AI revolution. Whether you're working as a scientist or a secretary, the reality is that AI is here to stay. So it's up to you to use it effectively. Let's get started in breaking down the most important tools you need to take your career to the new heights. Number 1. To-do list. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by your to-do list and unsure what to prioritize? To-do-ist solves this using AI to help you organize and prioritize tasks efficiently. It's your go-to app for personal task management and productivity tracking. Without it, you risk falling behind important deadlines and tasks. By leveraging To-do-ist, you can streamline your day, focus on what matters, and boost your productivity. Number 2. Miro. This app is essential for brainstorming and visual collaboration with your team. Have you ever struggled to get your tips ideas flowing or to visualize a complex project? Miro addresses this by providing a digital whiteboard where your teams can collaborate in real time, enhanced by AI tools for organization, efficiency, and clarity. Without Miro, you might miss some innovative ideas and effective teamwork. But by using it, you can generate creativity and ensure everybody's input is organized and captured. Number 3. Clockify. Do you find it challenging to understand where your time goes each day? Clockify helps you by tracking your time and providing AI-driven insights into your productivity patterns. Without an effective time management system, you risk wasting your time and miss out on opportunities to improve efficiency. But by taking advantage on Clockify, you can optimize your schedule and make the most at your work hours. 4. Grammarly. A must-have for enhancing communication and ensuring clarity. Have you ever worried about how your message might be perceived? Grammarly solves it by not only checking the grammar, but also detecting the tone of your writing. Without it, your communication might lack clarity or convey unintended emotions. But by using Grammarly, you can ensure that your messages are clear, professional, and appropriately toned. There is a good chance you've already used Grammarly before, or at least you heard about it, but if you haven't checked it in a while, you may be very impressed about how this team made use of an AI and enhanced the overall software experience. And 5. Evernote. Do you ever feel like you can't find important notes or documents when you need them? Evernote addresses this common problem on the workplace by using AI to help you organize and quickly retrieve your information. Whether you're just trying to dig up some key points you wrote last week, or you're in a full-blown panic because you can't find your quarterly reports, Evernote has your back. When you let the Evernote do the heavy lifting for you, you can keep your records organized and easily accessible. Now that you know the tools you will need, let's talk about where this revolution is heading and why you risk falling behind if you don't develop your skills alongside AI. Increased efficiency. AI tools automate repetitive tasks that allows you to focus on strategic and creative work. Competitive edge. Companies that are taking advantage of AI are outperforming those who don't. So AI knowledge is crucial in today's global marketplace. Skill relevance. Keeping pace with AI adjustments ensures your skills remain relevant in growing job markets. Data-driven decisions. AI provides insights that lead to better decision-making and reduces human error. By using AI effectively, you will have an advantage in any industry. So now let's go over to the benefits that has made AI an unstoppable force in this interconnected world. AI tools are designed to work smoothly together with already existing workflows. Scalability. As businesses grow, AI tools scale effortlessly, supporting increased workloads and complexity. Personalization. AI enables personalized experience, tailoring tools and solutions to individual needs and preferences. Collaboration. AI enhances collaboration by breaking down the communication barriers and facilitating real-time teamwork. Remote work synergy. AI tools are beneficial for remote workers, enhance connectivity and productivity from everywhere. An investment in AI is an investment in your future success. Artificial intelligence is here to stay, and things will become more and more aligned on it in the future. better. If you are still not convinced that AI is not a short-term trend, let's go over some factors that ensures its longevity. Continuous innovation. AI technology is rapidly advancing, with ongoing research and development fueling its growth. Widespread adoption. From small startups to multinational corporations, AI adoption is widespread and accelerating. Economic impact. AI is driving economic growth, creating new job opportunities, and actually changing industries. If this all sounds scary, don't panic. Actually, AI revolution is a positive development. AI can handle repetitive and boring tasks, freeing up people's time and allowing them to direct all their energy to the creative tasks, solving their problems. At HireUA, we connect top remote talents with Western businesses, and our goal is to stay ahead of the curve, always embracing the latest tools and technologies to make your work smoother, more efficient, and stress-free. After all, today's global market is competitive, and if you don't want to learn ins and outs of AI, there may be someone who is waiting for your spot and perfectly knows the technology. If you find this video useful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more business and AI content. And if you'd like to apply to work with us, head over to HireUA.com and reach out to our team. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.